Okay, let's share this out. Simplify bracket like 3 minus 3d raised power 3. Then close bracket raised power 2. Now, if you share these two questions, you will notice like from afar, they are kind of similar, but they are different. Now, let's start with this. Now, imagine you have something like this. If you have this s, let's say you have 3s raised power 2. It's like saying you have 3s in two places, right? Which is something like 3s multiplied by 3s. Yes. Now, so similar to this also. So you have bracket minus 3 raised power 3 raised power 2 or raised power 2. Just like having this minus 3 d raised power 3 in two places. In two places. Now, we can multiply each other. We can multiply both. By opening the bracket. So we can have this, which is minus 3. And again, I think from junior classes, if you have minus multiplied by minus, it will be equal to plus. Plus times minus plus is also plus. When you have plus multiplied by minus, it will be minus. Now, we have minus here, and we have minus here. So minus multiplied by minus will definitely give you plus. Then you have 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. Which is 9. Now we have d raised power 3 and d raised power 3. Now let's come back to our law or our rules. We have d raised power, we have s raised power a multiplied by s raised power b. It should be what? S raised power a plus b. So far they have the same base. Now these two have the same base, d and d. So it should be d 3 plus 3. Now which is 9d raised power 6. So you have this. And for the second one, now notice this minus 3 is not inside the bracket. So you won't solve it with the bracket as you did for this. So it will just be minus 3. Then you open the bracket up. Now remember this rule. Now this rule here. And when you have f raised power a, then everything raised power b. So be s raised power ab. So this will be minus 3, then d 3 multiplied by 2. That is s raised power ab, just like a times b. So you have minus 3 d raised power 6. You have this